Hey guys, what is up? This is Saurabh, and in this video I'm going to give you my full review of LionListings. So I'll be showing you the members area, we'll be taking a look at my bonus page, we'll be taking a look at the sales page, and then I'll be telling you if this product is good for you or not. So in a nutshell, LionListings is all about getting traffic from 10 different websites, and those are classified ad websites where you can post your ads for absolutely free. So without a further ado, let's jump straight into the members area and let's have a look. So this product is created by Daud Islam, and this product is going to be launched on 11th of August. And this is how the members area looks like. There is a welcome video, and then there is the overview of LionListings, and then there is the introduction training about how this thing works. And then these are the top 10 secret websites, which are the classified listing websites where you can list your different ads. And these works for any niche, any offer. So it doesn't matter if you are into make money online niche, if you're into health and fitness, or maybe into spirituality niche. You could promote any kind of ads on these websites for absolutely free. And classified ads, if you don't know, it's just like Craigslist, which is very popular in the US. So those are the classified ads where people post their ads about their offers, about their services. And so you're going to get these 10 websites where Daud will show you how you can post your ads for absolutely free. And then there is the resources for free squeeze pages you will get inside the members area. And then there are some bonuses as well. These are the vendor based bonuses. And talking about the bonuses, let me just take you to my bonus page, which you can access by clicking on the link in the description down below, and that will take you to this particular page. And make sure you get your bonuses before this countdown timer runs out. And you just have to click on any of these buttons. That will take you to the Warrior Plus sales page, from where you can make your purchase. So the bonuses, the first bonus which I'm offering is I'm going to give you done for you campaigns which you can use with LionListings. So I'm just going to give you done for you offers which you can start promoting instantly using the trainings inside the LionListings. The next bonus is I'm going to give you 180 days of email follow-up series. So you could post your ads and you can capture the email addresses, and then you can just follow up with those people who have given their email addresses using this email follow-up series. The next bonus which I'm offering is I'm going to tell you how to write compelling headlines, because headlines is very important in creating the ads. So it's all about the headlines. You need to know how to make those catchy headlines which people gonna stop by and read your ad. So that's my third bonus. The number 4th bonus which I'm going to give you is how to profit with CPA offers. And again, you could promote these CPA which are cost per action offers using LionListing methods. And then we have all the vendor bonuses which I showed you right inside the members area. So you will have access to all these 5 vendor bonuses as well. Now talking about the price point of LionListing, the front end of LionListing will cost you $9.95, and you will get all the training modules in the front end. The first upsell is the LionListings Pro version, which is going to cost you $37. And with the Pro version, you're going to get further 50 sites where you can advertise for absolutely free. And along with that, you will also get access to some advanced training and resources. The next upsell is the Mega Traffic Package, which is going to cost you $197. And in this, you will get 10 solo ads to my entire network of 25 sites in the Make Money Online niche, plus plug in any URL of your choice into the ad rotators at all 25 sites. So again, it's the traffic bonus from Daud. The next upsell is the reseller rights, which is going to cost you $37. So along with the reseller rights and 4 other Dowd's best-selling products. You can promote them, sell them as your own products, and keep the 100% profits. The upsell number 4 is the done for you campaigns for $197. So you're going to get 3 done for you campaigns each and every week. You will get done for you bonus page with review video, product demo, and 10 custom bonuses delivered to you. And the upsell number 5 is you get an opportunity to launch a product with Dowd, and it is limited to 5 persons only, and that is going to cost you $997. So these are all about the price points and the OTOs for LionListings. And now let me just show you what's the sales page gonna look like. So this is how the sales page will look like. The headline says the secret sites where you can advertise for free. And then there are you ready to finally get results? So it's all about free traffic from these ad websites where you can just post your ads. So these are some of the income screenshots from Dowd, where he's showing his earnings every month, July earnings, April earnings, and it's all about, and then he's talking about the bonuses and all. So this is the sales page. And now talking about if this product is good for you or not. So if you're someone who is into one particular niche, for example, make money online niche, and you want to promote products in a different niche, so definitely you can go ahead with this product, and you get to know about all these 10 websites where you can post your ads. And let me tell you, this strategy really works, and I have personally tried it as well. And if you're someone who wants to get more traffic to your offers, more free traffic to your offers, so you can also use this product and start getting results in your business with the new traffic source. So guys, that is all about LionListings, and I hope you got some value out of this video, and this video has helped you to make your buying decision as well. So if you have any questions, feel free to let me know in the comments down below, and I'll get back to you. So guys, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Cheers.